How to use Instagram threads. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram threads. Log into your account. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. On here, you'll find this on the first page after you log in. After that, you can simply click on search bar and search the person you want to search or any groups you want to search. If you click on heart like option, you'll find all these options: replies, mentions, requests, and on bottom right, you'll find your profile. And then if you go to main page and write a new thread, you can write a new thread in this way. You can add images, take picture, gifs, voice messages, and other hashtags. And this is how to use Instagram threads. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like. Thank you for joining me.